Hello, and welcome to another literacy lesson. Today, we will discuss responding to text. What are some different ways to respond to what you've read? Well, the four we will discuss today are retelling or paraphrasing, which is using your own words to describe about the text. Make connections. How do you connect to the book in your own special way? Make connections to events in your life. Create. What does this text inspire you to create? You can do that by writing, drawing, painting, singing, acting, or dancing. And finally, growing vocabulary. Which new words from the text have you made part of your own vocabulary? Use those words to talk about the text. Let's go into more detail for each way. Retell the story. When you retell, you describe what happens in a story in order, from beginning, middle, and end. You use your own words and use the words and pictures from the story. Make connections. When you read, find ways that the text is like things from your own life or text you've already read. Ask yourself, this reminds me of when or this book is like another one I've read, or this is like something that's happened in my community. Create. When you create mental images, you make pictures in your mind to help you remember what you've read. You use those pictures to help you think of the sounds you might have heard, or the things you might have tasted, or smells, or what things felt like. Grow vocabulary. Those words you may not know. You can think of where you might have seen the word somewhere else, or does it seem like a word about this topic? Or can I find clues in the sentence to help me understand the word? Your assignment. First, reread the informational text from Tuesday or pick a new text. Then, pick one of the ways to respond to the text from the anchor chart. Remember, one of those ways could be to retell the story, make connections, create, or grow vocabulary. And lastly, share your response with someone at home. Until next time, happy reading!